How to become a web front-end developer in 2024? This is the Beginner's Bootcamp, and here I will take you by the hand from zero to hero. So let's dive right into it. By the way, this is just a sample of what you will get on my course on Udemy, Become a Web Front-End Developer 2024 Beginner's Bootcamp. If you want to have the full version, head to my description link. Okay, so the download is done. We're gonna double click on it. And here's the installer. You just press yes, select the language. Okay, you are trying to install 64 version while 32 version is already installed. I think I already installed the 32, so let's try to install it. Okay, next, I agree to the terms. Next, this is where the location will be installed. Click next, and then next again. And do you want to create a shortcut? Yeah, why not? And then install. You can leave this check mark and it's gonna run Notepad++ as soon as it is installed. As you can see, I had it already installed, so I have many files that were open. So I'm gonna just close all these files and it's gonna look like this. Now you can press over here, that's to give you a new file, and then you can start writing your code right here. But for now, we're just concentrating on the installation process. So this is how you install it. So Notepad+ is done. Ready to transform from a complete beginner to a skilled web developer? Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide and become a web developer in 2023. My course on Udemy is your passport to mastering web development with ease. Designed especially for beginners, this course covers the essential pillars from HTML, PHP, JavaScript introduction, Angular, and the real roadmap you need in 2023 to become a web developer. But that's not all. What sets this course apart is the inclusion of the FB system. What is the FB system? It's a full bootcamp in 7 steps. This system is your guide to understanding, memorizing, and implementing the code effectively. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to confidence as you navigate all the complexity of web development. Moreover, this course isn't just about learning, it's about becoming career ready or job ready. Equip yourself with sought-after skills in PHP for dynamic web applications. Learn to implement crucial user authentication, making your projects not just functional but job ready. And by the end of this course, you won't just be fluent in web development languages, you'll be equipped with secure opportunities in the field of web development. Increase the chances of being hired and step confidently into the world of web development. So don't miss out on this transformative journey. Enroll now. The ultimate beginner's guide in 2023. Become a web developer in 2023. So don't waste more time. Click on the link on the description and enroll right now.